Alrighty, yes guys, welcome to a brand new video. My name is Conan, and today, again, not sure what we're doing today, but we are starting today with some steps. So let me know, are you guys the same way? I literally, whenever I'm bored, I just walk around in circles just to increase my step counts. Like, I've been doing this for probably 30 minutes now, and my step count is at like 4,000 right now. This is so OCD, and this is so weird and probably not healthy in a mental way to track your steps walking around in circles. So I don't know, man. I think I need some energy. Oh, and would you look at that, we got some bangs down here too. So yeah, as you guys know from my last video, I tried the whatever this is called, the black cherry vanilla. This one slaps. It is really good. However, I'm thinking of switching it up today, so I'll be trying the Bangster Berry. So a customer actually had this yesterday, and he said it tasted like a grape crush, which to me sounds pretty weird because the name is called Bangster Berry, and so considering that it's called Bangster Berry, I'm thinking it's gonna taste like berry-ish more than grape-y, if that makes sense. So we're gonna crack her open. I'll give you guys a live taste test / review, share with you guys what I think of it. So here we go. Smell test. Promising start. That is pretty, it's hard to tell. Is it grape or is that berry? All I know is that it tastes good. That's all I really care about, is the taste. And the taste is quite nice. It's so weird, because if someone tells you it tastes like grape, but it actually doesn't, you still, low-key, kind of think it tastes like grape, because someone told you it tastes like grape, even though it may actually not taste like grape. But it kind of tastes like grape. But it says berry on it, so I'm thinking it tastes like berry. But someone told me it tasted like grape, so is it grape or berry? Or is it both? Is it grape and berry? But then they'd say it on the label. It says just berry. If it tasted like berry and grape, it'd say berry and grape. But considering that there's no grape on the label, I'm confused. Anyway guys, enough about that. So quick update regarding everything going on. So obviously in my last video I shared with you guys that my show got postponed for further 3 weeks, so we are starting tomorrow. We're gonna be 6 weeks out, and so for this past week my cardio has been dropped in half and my calories have been bumped up by a bit, and our weight has actually stayed the exact same for this entire week, which is something that hasn't happened at all this prep. Usually during this prep I've lost at least 1 to 2 pounds per week, but this week we stayed completely still, so no real progress has been made this week. So it was actually really unmotivating to see that my body hasn't really changed, and the number on the scale hasn't really changed either. And so today's Friday, which is the day where I usually check in with my coach, so hopefully we'll make some changes today. I'm thinking my cardio will be bumped back up again, and my calories are going to probably decrease again. So that's probably going to be the game plan moving forward, because again, we can't be having weeks where we don't progress. Every single week is very important. Every single week we got to make at least some form of progress, whether it's the number on the scale, whether it's the way I look, whether it's just something has to change every single week in order for me to actually be ready on show day. But for now, I'll just be enjoying this Bangster Berry Bang energy.
Down a fold in the quads. Okay, tricep. I think you made it into the late 30s. It's gotta come off, man. It has to come off somewhere. Oh, 1.5 off the tri and 1 off the quad. Finally coming.
That was so weird, because I felt like this week was the slowest one.
No way. I can tell. You're pinching light, leaner, and you're down roughly a pound. 1 pound of body fat is, I can see it.
Do I look leaner?
Yeah, you're leaner. You're definitely leaner this week, so it's working. And we pulled back a bit, which is good, right? Yeah. And you got a carb up, so one carb up meal. So that's good. It didn't push you really fast, but you did get leaner. So now that's pretty good. So now we're at the 6 week mark and you're in the 30s. So here we go. You can I don't think you need to do crazy cardio, but we'll just bump you back up by probably another 10 minutes. You could probably carb up today too. Let's just give you a little extra rice on top of your day. Hit an extra 50 grams sometime either today or tomorrow.
Yeah, I'll do it tomorrow then.
Yeah, make yourself a nice cup of rice.
How many extra grams?
Judging from looking at you, give yourself an extra 75 grams. Anytime, during the day. So yeah, you can split it up or just eat it all. But yeah, good job. You're freaking on par.
That's such
Don't have to do anything super crazy. I don't want to kill you because you have that extra time now, and we might never have to do anything too drastic.
That was just such a mind because my the weight on my scale didn't change.
No, it's coming off. You can see it. Your abs are tighter and your triceps are down. So we get to use this whole next 5 weeks to get you under 20, under 30, and we can slowly do it. You haven't had any problems dropping, so according to this, the glide should be pretty good.
Alright guys, just got off work and just got done checking in with my coach. So the way my coach kind of like does the weekly check-ins, he just tracks my skin fold measurements. So this week we were at 38 skin folds, which honestly, like, it's getting better week by week, which is good because the scale I use at home pretty much stayed the exact same this entire week. However, the scale I just used and the skin fold measurements we just did, we could see some clear progress, which was good because going into this, I was a bit scared thinking that we didn't make any progress with what we did this week, but I'm thankful that we did. So the plan moving forward now is to just increase our cardio by 15 minutes, or no, by 10 minutes, sorry. So we did 35 this past week. Now we're bumping it back up again to 45 minutes. And then, yeah, calories are staying the same. And then tomorrow, actually, we get a refeed, which I'm really looking forward to because I haven't had a refeed since we started prep together. So yeah, I'm in desperate need of a refeed now. So yeah, I'm gonna smash a workout right now. And then tomorrow I'll have a refeed, which I'll probably make a separate video about that. So yeah, with that said, let's go to the gym, smash our arms, let's go. Yo! Damn, show me those legs. Dude, that's pretty good actually. Is it leg day today?
On to squats, yeah.
Dude, that's tough. Good luck, man.
Every day. I've been doing that for like a month or two now.
What, squats?
No, that machine and then squats.
Oh shit, dude.
It's fucking, it was, first time was like fucking kill me now.
Alright, I'll see you inside.
Tell me, babe, you wanna leave this town? I'm saying, love her if you wanna go, I'm down. 'Cause darling, we were made for bigger things. This place keeps killing our dreams. Let's go, love, I'm saying it's tired of waiting. We could leave this whole place behind, yeah. Let's go, love, I'm saying it's tired of waiting. We could leave this whole place behind. Tell me, babe, you wanna leave this town? I'm saying, love her if you wanna go, I'm down. 'Cause darling, we were made for bigger things.
Yo, how are those squats? Can I get some of your finest DCAAs? What flavor is that?
Tiger's Blood.
Ooh, I don't know.
Have
Is
you got
that?
it? Have you had it?
I think so. Is that a good one?
It's pretty good. It's like mango.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, I f***ing hate these scoops so much.
What the heck? Oh, that's what it's for. That's awesome. All right, thank you. Oh yeah, just finished cardio. Now I gotta buy some groceries and I'll see you guys at home. Alrighty guys, groceries have been acquired. Now it's time to go back home because I am super hungry. Alright guys, very quick grocery pickup. So I got some mushrooms, egg whites, and chicken breasts from Walmart. And then at Save on Foods, I actually buy my garden salad there because it's like $1 cheaper. So I've got a couple bags of these. And then some Greek yogurt. Alrighty guys, so the topic of today's video, how weak did I really get? But before I do, here's a super quick, easy, high protein snack you can try making. This should literally fit, like if it fits into my macros, it should 100% definitely be able to fit into your macros. So what this is 1 cup of a 0% low fat plain Greek yogurt. Make sure it's plain because that has less of the sugar and most of the protein. And then once you have that, you're gonna sweeten it up with 1 scoop of a protein powder, some Splenda, and then you're gonna add some frozen berries. So this is what it should look like, super thick, creamy, and this looks absolutely amazing. Wow, 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 wow. Really good. Anyway, so obviously when you're in a caloric deficit or when you're cutting, especially for a very long period of time, as in like months and months, it is inevitable that you will start to lose some size and strength during the process, because just simply thinking about it, when you're in a caloric deficit, you're eating less calories than you burn on a day-to-day basis. Over time, your strength will start to decrease because you simply don't have enough energy to keep up with your normal lifts, especially with the compound lifts such as your squat, bench, and deadlift. Like maybe not for the first couple of weeks of your cuts, but definitely towards the end of it, your strength will start to decrease pretty substantially, and it can be very demotivating to see your strength go down by that much. But you just got to remember that it's all part of the process, and it's basically like it happens to everyone, especially as a natural athlete. It is inevitable that you're going to lose some strength. So yeah, I definitely have started to notice that my strength started to go down. Not with all the lifts, like most of the lifts I've actually surprisingly kept up, especially my hamstring strength. Like I don't know if you guys have seen my past videos, but I was Romanian deadlifting like the 115s on the dumbbell Romanian deadlift. So yeah, my strength for some muscle groups and some exercises have actually stayed the same, if not gone up, which is nice. But then definitely some exercises such as my squat and deadlift have gone down, but that is just inevitable. And with my loss in strength, obviously comes with loss of size as well. So I've definitely noticed that I've lost some size as well. Simply just looking at like my video this morning or some pictures I took this morning, on the way I felt really skinny and just really flat. And so again, that is something that you'll have to accept, especially if you're doing a very deep and aggressive cut like I am. And so as you guys saw from earlier on in today's video, my coach gave me a refeed for tomorrow. So yeah, I think I'm in desperate need of a refeed just to kind of like fill up my glycogen stores a bit more and just kind of like fill me up, because again, I feel very flat right now. I did an arm workout today and I had a really hard time just getting a pump. And yeah, I'm in desperate need of some carbs right now. So I'm gonna eat this up right now, last meal of today, and then tomorrow, which will actually be the next video, I'll show you guys my entire refeed day, exactly why I'm doing it, what I'm eating, and how it's going to benefit me leading up to show day. So with that said, if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to go give this video a thumbs up. I would highly appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.